Good afternoon, everyone. According to the observation which I made in the picture, there are 6 characters who are male, aged between 20 to 65. The mood in the picture is depicted is serious, and it looks like there's a court session which is going on over there. So Kiran is a lawyer who is aged around 30. He had always been keen on serving the justice to people who have been taken away by their rights. So he voluntarily takes up a case where a young youth had been dragged in his college and was not given any legal aid by anyone. So by reading the newspaper, he takes up this case and he moves to the court. And because of his arguments in the court and because of his intelligence, he gives justice to the youth who had been deprived of his rights. So thus he wins his case.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. From the picture shown to us, I have perceived like this. Jhansi, who is the main character of the story, she is at present she is the Chief Justice of High Court, Bangalore. She became Chief Justice of this court in 2016 only. She completed her LLB in 1998. From there, step by step with increasing her position, as of now she is working as Chief Justice in High Court.
Good afternoon, everyone. I see six male in the picture, all in a positive mood, in the age between 40 and 65. Prachuman is the judge of the court. He is working as a judge in the Sessions Court. A case has been come to him about money laundering. The case involves a lot of high profile dealers, and he has been threatened about not taking up the case, but he took up the case and the case is going on, and without the though he has been influenced and been severely threatened, he has come up with and delivered justice. So he has been received for his bravery and delivering justice without any interventions. He has been awarded a medal from the Supreme Court of India. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. From the picture shown, I was able to perceive 5 male characters doing a court session. And my story goes on like this. Ramu is 25 years old and pursuing his law career. On one fine day, a client came to him seeking for justice that a landlord has grabbed his land. So he took all details from him and he went to the village and found that many villagers are suffering the same. So he went to he took the case to the court and was able to successfully win the session with best witnesses and evidences. So he finally was able to win the session, and all the people appreciated for his charity, and he was promoted for the next level. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. This happened in Vizag. There was a 5 men, all are in age near to 25 to 35, all are in positive mode. Action of the story was justice for women. Raghu was a social activist and he is working in NGO to help to the people. One day, he reading a newspaper, he saw there was a major issue go against to the woman. So he gave and played to the Supreme Court for such a case. And then after a month, they come to the verdict. So he explained about the case. There was a major issue go against to the woman. There is no severe punishment for the such case. And then they explain about they take more time to solve the problem. And then he gave to solve the problem to using a fast track court for the such case, and then implement the act. After a year, the case also the government, the Supreme Court considered the situation and they implement a fast track court for amendment to this act such a case against to the woman, and most of the people get more effectiveness in this act. Thank you.